everywhere for leaks. We don't want no leaks, why?
I'm that same old body with the steez. In a baked outfit, got a shark on the hood of my top and an ape on my tee. Been a minute since I linked with the bro, said link up soon, let's talk over tea. These days it's all about flex and talk about bro, I'm trying to make this pee. I got a text from the bro in Cali telling me sit tight, gonna make me a beat. In a guy for the stylish babe on a stylish date, trying to make me a treat. She's trying to talk about rovers, it's over, I'm trying to back the street. Two cents
Oh, like, yeah. I do love the sound of a 2 litre affair. Yo. So we made it, yeah. This is my boy's 2 litre Astra VXR. It sounds cold, innit, bro? I can't lie. It sounds nuts. I just had to play out the way. Rules are cold. That's the Instagram. Give my man a little follow. You know what I mean? Hey, you got big dick for days. What do you mean by that? But yeah, fam. So today, yeah, basically, it's gonna get a whole refresh. Obviously, we got two issues with the turbo core. We're gonna give it like a cool little fresh service. Take off the front bumper, intercooler. And yeah, basically just breathe some life back into it. It's been sitting for a while. Yeah, we're gonna get up and running again, so let's get it.
I think the sun trying to turn something. I came in with a core, and I got some bitches. And I got some bitches.
Got the car all jacked up, bumper off. Now we're just trying to drain all the oil so we can start working on the turbo, and then literally after that now, yeah, I should be good. I'm ready to go. But I don't know what that is. Oh, I pissed myself. Great. Yeah, decent, not bad. Update. So we basically
Made a bit of a mess.
we drained the oil, bro. Ooh. We are looking to drain the coolant now. What, we're gonna attack the coolant?
I think so.
Sweet. Drain the coolant, drain the gearbox oil, and then on to the further stuff, mate. Always take your caps off. Always take your caps off. Oh. Change of plans. Gearbox for another day, yeah. Long. So right now I'm just gonna tackle the coolant, yeah. Yeah, that's pissing. I can't lie, yeah. Sorry for the wait, but I've been waiting for the longest, yeah. Can you come up? Oh my! I can't wait to get that for my ST. That is literally like one of the hardest mods on this car. I can't lie, I'll definitely say white cam gauge with like blue bolts, maybe.
Yeah, no, that's it. You done it.
That's the way forward. I see better days.
See the oil inside?
Oil, all that. That is gross. Definitely need to change. That's bad still.
I see why people delete the AC in this now, bro.
It's just in the way.
Yeah.
Turbo's out. Ah shit. This car got bad coolant, bro. Yeah, bro. New coolant hose is going on and that. Coolant hose is looking decent. So we made a big progress. Took the turbo off. Just trying to put that on right now. Clear. 2 litre NA. Get me. Obviously that little box over there. Bare goods and that. So let's tackle this turbo now. Cool, so we took the turbo apart, and obviously we got the new core. Sweet. And we got the new ports and hardware. Connor, what are you doing? What are you up to?
Cooling pipes.
Cooling pipes. Yeah, he's just working away on the cooling pipes, I can't lie. There's bare pipes on the Astra, so yeah, he's cracking on with that while I'm doing this. So, yeah. Copyright.
So, the update. I just unplugged the fuse for the fuel pump, unplugged the spark plugs, coil pack. Just building up my fuel pressure now, oil pressure, shall I say. And then I'm going to check for leaks. But everything's in. Intercooler, resting, and we have a leak already. There you go, that's the whole point of doing this. First start now, battery's dying, so checking everywhere for leaks. We don't want no leaks, why? That's just burning off. What's on there? We're doing some mad business. Don't watch these pops and bangs, bro. Woo! Shooting shit up the back of it. Fucking hell.
I can't lie, if you want to see a part 2 and a fully built Astra, or fully done, or when it's fully done, leave me a like and leave me a comment, and then I'll know, and then obviously from there we'll go from there, innit? But without further ado, just a little vlog for you guys because I haven't uploaded in a while. So yeah, in a bit, you man.